this is Justice with Tablet Pro. In this video, we are finally going to go to the advanced mode. Yay! All right, so click on that little tab. Again, the warning here is you need Tablet Pro for some of the extra features to work. You can get that at tabletpro.com. You can click down here and that'll bring you over there. Okay, so this does a whole bunch of things that it didn't used to do. So you can hide the taskbar by clicking here. If you want it to hide per program, you can click right here, and when OneNote launches, it will hide the taskbar for you. Notice that there are a lot of tooltips, and there's a lot of double commands, so pay attention to those. Here, you can see right here, the single click will open the pen tool settings, and a double click will open the Tablet Pro desktop settings. So if you do that same thing here, you can see the tooltips, double click will close and save at the same time. And you must have this window closed for auto switching to work. If you want to disable auto switching, you can click right here. While this is clicked and this is hidden, you can click right here. Just a single click and that will open up an artist pad, or that will open up whatever mode is associated with the active window. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Single click. And I love that feature because sometimes I don't want things to switch, but I still want the options available. So, and again, that says right here, if the pen tool window is open, auto switching won't work. Right here, it says single click the pen tool taskbar icon to launch manually. That's what we just did. Okay, so here's a big old list of different programs that have presets already created for them. If you don't have this showing up, you can go here to settings and go to the Tablet Pro Presets tab and click Add Default Presets. You can remove them here and you can open settings here. You can load the custom Tablet Pro settings right here as well. These are my personal settings. All right, so if you don't want these to switch per program, again, choose Lock Preset, that will lock it. And over here, this is where you connect the Tablet Pro file. So if you have a specific one that you want to have opened when the side buttons switch, then you can associate it here and you can choose from this drop down here for the different available modes. Right here, this is the layout editor, and this will open the Tablet Pro Manager and it'll open the associated file with whatever was selected in the preset menu. That's right here. So if I wanted to open up Rebel, I could go here and choose layout editor, and this will open this up for us. Good. You can see that tab. Big preview will make it bigger. All right, this button right here will rate the app. Please use that. Thank you. This is my goal. Right here, this will go up and down between the different presets here. And this will add a new preset. This will delete the current preset, and this will give you a prompt beforehand, so it won't just delete it right away. And this is for a couple additional settings, like if you want to have a delay when you switch from a preset that's going too fast or it's a little annoying, you can add a delay for that preset. All right, so in the next video, I'll go into actually not sticky modifiers. We're going to go into the modifier behavior, Control Alt and Shift. All right, I'll see you in the next video.